This is a butter knife, but what if it cut fast? Faster than that. Yeah, that's about a good amount of fastness. But what if my hand didn't have to do it? What if we built something instead to do it? Reciprocating butter knife. Oh my god! It just sliced through that! High RPMs and weak plastic do not mix. There is an element of danger to this. Do not try this at home, you will die. Not from the thing, I will be inside your ceiling at 3 AM. So I think we'll just start by printing some bearings. A lot of bearings. So I was playing around with some tolerances, and they're pretty decent now considering that they're 3D printed. They're still pretty awful. So why are we printing plastic bearings? Because I'm curious and I want to know how fast you can spin them, how much force they can take, how much heat they can take, how much force they can take under what heat, how spinning much fast. They're gonna last like 30 seconds. So now we know what bearings we're gonna use. I need to go salvage some other parts and then probably salvage a motor while I'm at it. And then we can start some CAD. I got hair in my eye, ow. We finished modeling. I'm a little bit less scared now because I can actually like visualize it. It's a bit safer than I thought it would be. It is still extremely unbalanced and it is gonna vibrate terribly, but that's part of the joke. So now we just gotta print it out. What the f is wrong with you now, eh? Okay, yep, back in there you go. I printed everything in different colours, so when I find little bits of plastic everywhere, or I find shrapnel, I'll know what exploded. Bets on how long that's gonna last. I don't know the voltage of this motor, but we can try 24 volt. I think it's 24 volt. Holy shit! It's jammed. Oh, it vibrated it off! I feel a lot safer now that I've actually built it and tested it. I'm still gonna be a little bit cautious because before it was kind of like caution zone and then like a danger zone and then death zone. And now I feel like it's, yeah, just keep an eye on a caution zone, death zone. I still feel like that warrants a death zone. So now I just gotta tweak a few things and then we can go and have some fun and, I don't know, cut a watermelon. I put it on a stick because I thought it'd be funny. Oh, it was a lot funnier in my head. It's also a lot less dangerous than I thought it would be. I thought I'd have to like cower around the corner and then reach around with the pole and give you the old safety squint, but it's actually pretty safe considering we have a fine assortment of fruits. Banana bub. All right. Oh my god! Oh my god! What? It just sliced through that like butter. Oh my god! You never go.
Yeah, why not?
The most dangerous thing is if the knife flies out the end, and even if this happens under perfect conditions, it has about the same energy as one of those yellow Nerf gun ball blaster things. But if I had to choose between being shot with a knife or a little foam ball, I think I'd take the knife. I mean, foam ball. Oh, look, it's a grape tree that's slightly too high up. Oh, hold up, I think I have a tool for this. We're making a fruit salad, by the way. Apple was actually pretty hard to cut. Melon. I don't think it likes the melon. Look at that. Can you imagine being stabbed by that? Hey. I don't think I need to say this, but this is a bit dumb and dangerous. I was pretty certain at this point that it was less cutting and more like vibrating things to death. It's like that tool that they use to remove casts. Your skin can kind of like wibble wobble and absorb the vibrations, but rigid things can't. And so they get deaded from the vibrations. It's still not completely safe. Just don't play around with dangerous things unless you're confident at it. Back to the melon cutting. It's popped off again. You ready? Yeah! Oh! The motor gear's buggered, so we're printing off another, but the sun is starting to go, because it's winter in Australia! Pretend we're outside because we ran out of daylight. Ready? Oh, that's a lot better! Holy dooly. This is so fucking messy. Sorry, tail. A lovely fruit salad. Hold up, let me get the bucket. Can you like juice of watermelon? We're not wasting any. Watermelon bowl. The almond fruit. I don't think we're going to get through this. The watermelon was a bit of a match. No, it's not cutting through. It's making a dent, but like it's not cutting through. Wait, do you want a pineapple? Like no. Do you want a pineapple? Doing a bit of carving. Oh my god! Oh no! Spilt watermelon all over the watermelon shield.
You gonna make a crown with that?
Huh?
You gonna make a crown with that?
How the fuck did you know? What? No, seriously, how the fuck did you know?
Well, I was wondering what else could you make with that, and like, crown's the only thing that made sense.
That's, you know, you're spooky. This is one of the most fun things I've ever built. I love this thing, it's amazing. It's the embodiment of loud equals funny. It's a knife that's really fucking loud. There's so much water in a watermelon. Oh, this is gross. It's so cold and wet. I think my workshop is just forever gonna have a hint of watermelon smell. Well, that was a bit anticlimactic in terms of danger. Like, I was expecting this to be a ticking time bomb. Maybe I should have done the math to begin with, but I didn't really have that intuition of high-speed spinning plastics to do that. But that's why I like doing these projects, to kind of learn that intuition. Speaking of learning, how did the bearings go? Not very well. This thing actually seized up about 8 or 9 times while we were testing it. And there was this really bad one that took quite a lot to get free. And I'm pretty sure this was the main bearing melting itself and seizing up altogether. The shaft that goes into the bearing kind of grinded itself so it could spin freely. And after running it for a little bit, I swear it actually ran better. This little one is still fine somehow. There's a lot more I'm going to test on this thing. I do, however, have plans to incorporate this into another dangerous project. Oh, sugar. I didn't say shit.